So we get a lot of queries from working professionals also who are working in India for a long time. So they sometimes feel that New Zealand is a small country. They prefer countries like Australia or maybe America. So can you please advise these students that what kind of opportunities will be available in New Zealand as compared to bigger countries?
So, see, New Zealand, although it's a small, but I call it a very boutique country. I also went there in 96 after doing my engineering from India. The best thing I like, the people are very, very good. So, there is no racism, equal opportunity employer. Uh, doesn't matter whether you're Indian, Chinese, Korean, you get the job as long as you qualify for it. So, opportunities are there. The say tourism is the number one industry over there. Agriculture is number two. Viticulture, winemaking is number three. Fourth is health. Fifth is IT. If you see the Rocket Lab company, which is a lot of our engineers are working there. And now recently New Zealand has signed a free trade agreement with India also. So they will be asked levels also few more professional teachers like secondary school teachers are in great demand, especially if you are from STEM background and you are in teaching profession. Lot of jobs. Early childhood also there are a lot of jobs. Construction, government is spending billions of dollars on construction industry. If you are from civil engineering background, lot of jobs over there. So it's great. And work-life balance is excellent. New Zealand is one of the least corrupt country. It's the most peaceful country. Air quality index comes in top 5 countries in the world. Now, if you are living in a bigger city like Delhi, and from Delhi you come to Rotorua, where AQI is only 5. So you can see how fresh air actually revives you. So and it increases your life by 10 years also. So there are a lot of positives also of living in a small country.
Toyomai has got intake in May as well. The major intake is in July, but there are some popular programs which are available in May. So if you want to know more about these programs, you can visit our office in Chandigarh and Ludhiana. Thank you very much, sir, and thank you for watching this video.